Hello. Okay, I just want to tell you that I have realized that I'm going ahead a little bit. I look back in your syllabus, your calendar for the class, and I see that pages 21, 22, so on are actually for the next lesson. Okay, so I thought I better slow down a little bit. It's my habit in my sign language history to do that. I remember when I was teaching, some of my students would say, please slow down. So I think it's a tendency of mine to go ahead pretty fast. Okay, so go back to page 19, and we'll practice those some more. Okay, also, I just thought it'd be kind of fun for me to just sign and for you to try to pick up some of my signs along the way as we go. Okay, page 19. Okay, I said when you want to get someone's attention, just do this. Hey, okay, think of any way that you could get the attention of a deaf person in the room without being rude. You don't want to be rude, but you want to get their attention, right? Okay, so what would you do? I was talking to my friend tonight, and I was actually recalling a situation where I went canoeing with some deaf people. Okay, and how did I get the attention of the person that was sitting in front? There were 3 people. Okay, so the person in the front was deaf, and the second person, I don't remember. Okay, if they were deaf or hearing, and then there was me. Okay, that's hearing. So I was thinking, how do I tell the person way out in front of me, to slow down, or that we wanted to stop or whatever? It was a camp situation. So I hit the side of my canoe, okay, and sure enough, he was a guy. He felt that. Okay, his arm on the metal on the canoe, because metal vibrates, so he could feel it. Okay, on the side. So that's one way. If you feel that the deaf person is going to get the vibration, then it's a good idea to hit something, right? If not, how about the lights? Talked about the lights going off and on. That would be a good way to get their attention, right? Okay, so just think, hey, okay, whatever you can do to get their attention without using your voice. You can't say, hey, you can't holler at them, so what are you going to do? Okay. Then I showed you the sign for repeat. So if I'm signing along, let's say our classes on Wednesdays, okay, and you didn't catch what I signed, then you will want to sign this. Okay, hopefully you will use some manners and also add in the word please. Okay, so you say, repeat, please. Okay, and you don't have to repeat it. I'm just doing it over and over for you. some signs for class? I realize that. Maybe there's some other words that we need to review for your benefit so we can have our classes more voice off. This is the sign that means turn off your voice. Voice is off. Okay? So I might do that. Okay, and then if I do this, that's a sign that means voice. See, there's a V. Okay, so if I say use your voice, okay, that means go ahead and talk. Okay, this is the sign for talk. It's 4, and you put it in front of your mouth. Okay, that might be good. If I go like this, that's more of a gesture, but it means be quiet. Okay, there's voice. This sign is slow down. That's a good one. Slow down. Okay, it's the back of your hand. And this is fast. It's just like you're gonna snap. You can use your middle fingers or you can use your index fingers. Okay, either way. How about this is a sign for finger spelling. Okay, here's the sign for next. A lot of the times when I'm showing them on the pages, I'll say first, second. You just turn for the ordinals, okay? First, second, third, next, next. Last is a good one to learn, like the last one. I might sign that, the last one on the page. How about page? It's just your thumb and you go into the palm of your hand, like you're opening a book. Page. Okay? Page. How about the expression, I don't understand? Not understand. Or you can go over your head, or your shoulder, I should say. Okay? How about this one? What did you say? It's just the say, the sign for set, for, you know, like he says, that kind of thing, say or says. And you just, okay, so your eyebrows go down. You said what? Said. If you want to add in the what, go ahead. That might help you. Okay, so you're going to sign at first, just like you think, right? Then you'll start to drop some of the few of the words and not realize that you don't have to sign all those. So that's page 19. Okay, I'm looking back at 18. Whoops, sorry. On 18, those were some of the common expressions, please and thank you. I'm pretty sure we're clear about those. Okay. Let me fingerspell some things. Whoops. Fingerspell some things for you and see if you can catch those. Did you get that? Ooh, that's kind of a long one. Bucket. Okay, good. Now don't concentrate on every letter. Okay, I mean, it's good to see them, but maybe just try to think about the, see there's the CK all in one practice, one motion. So if you can just learn to see some of that stuff. How about, try this one. Okay, let me do it again. And last time. candle. That has an easy sign. Let me show you that. Candle. Or I guess with your right hand should be the one that does the motion. Okay, good. Okay, let's see. Sorry, I'm turning my book. We did the days of the week. You remember those? Just the letters, basically. And you're going to do those in a little circular motion. Sunday, Monday, or you can do it with your palm out. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Hopefully you got those. When my last video stopped, I'm sorry it was kind of abrupt. It was because I got a phone call. We were on page 23. So you can flip there if you want to. Let's go down to the bottom where it says places. I was starting to show you some places. So I was just looking over at my cat. Okay, store. Church. I said it's just a C on the back of your hand. Okay, flip the page. Library with an L. That's pretty easy. Restaurant. Okay, it's an R. And you put it on the right side of your mouth and then the left side of your mouth. Yeah, Carly, you want to say hi? No? Okay, I was going to show you my kitty cat. Let's see if I can get her. Come here, Carly. Say hi. Here's Carly. She's looking. Hi, sweet pie. Okay. Next one is hospital. Use an H. Go down and across. Down and across. Like a cross. Hospital. Okay, next one is play. Okay, unless you're talking about going to a play, then you sign this one. This is actually the sign for drama. Okay, then we have some verbs that I thought I would start to teach you. Okay, how about the sign for sign? Verbs are action words, right? So these are actions. Forget. Okay, like you're wiping the information off of your forehead, out of your head. Learn. We've done that a few times. I've done it a few times. End. Okay, so we had finish, remember that? The end, that's the completion. And this is the sign for end. It's really the same thing, I suppose, the same idea. But this is like, well, like when you do weekend, you're going to sign end. Okay, here, the end of it. Or how about when you're playing a game? You could say, I'm glad that's over. The end of it. I'm glad end. I'm glad finish. Well, you could say, I'm glad it's over. I get it. That would work too. Okay, understand, you know. How about practice? Okay, and work. I think I've done those a couple times, so here we'll pick them up some more. Work. Okay, a few little sentences. What else could he learn? Okay. Sign for yesterday you're going to need to learn here. Yesterday. That's better. Weather. Hope. Okay. Store. That's easy. Store, clean. I like. Okay, that's good. Next one. with friends, or a friend, whatever. Okay, let's do it again. Practice, sign. How? Look at my face. With friend. With friend. Okay, last one. Green, that's green. There's a G, and you just shake. Okay, like, or I could say green. That probably would have been better. That's better ASL. Okay, I said my favorite color. Just move around. That's okay. Green, I like my favorite color. Okay, so that went through page 24. So we will be ready for 25, page 25 next time. I hope this is a little better on track. Go ahead and watch the other videos that are in part of this lesson, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye, everybody.